Hi, and welcome to SFX60, your go-to source for quick, practical Salesforce solutions in under 60 seconds. My name is Leo. At SFX60, we simplify complex Salesforce problems with smart tips you can use right away. No fluff, just results. Let's jump into today's solution to help you work smarter with Salesforce. Field-level security mistakes can lead to data leaks or frustrated users. First mistake, giving all profiles edit access to every field. Not every user needs to see salary or sensitive data. Use profiles and permission sets to limit access. Second, forgetting to check field visibility after field creation. Always double-check security settings right after adding a new field. Third, not auditing older fields. You might have exposed fields that no one remembers. Fourth, relying only on page layouts. Those control visibility, not security. And fifth, not testing as different users. Always verify with a test profile. Small changes, big protection. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more 60-second Salesforce solutions, and drop a comment with your questions or topics you'd like to see next. Remember, this is a high-level solution to help guide your approach. Deeper configuration may be needed for complex scenarios. See you in the next one. Stay sharp with SFX60.